Cryptopapa.
Good days, my friend. Welcome to Cryptopapa, where crypto is hard, but Papa makes it easy. My name is Conan. Once again, thank you very much for clicking in for another video. This is where we share some of the daily news regarding the crypto market and also some of the analysis altcoins that we wanted to share it with you. So please, this is not a financial advice, so please do your own due diligence and also your risk management. Before we begin, do us a quick favor, help us to like, share, and subscribe to support the community. And without much ado, let's jump straight into the market. The market, the BTC. The Bitcoin is one of the major cryptocurrency in the world that will easily affect the trending of the altcoins. So we need to see how is the Bitcoin doing every day. Just in this case, we need to give a quick run through with the Bitcoin because every single step is very crucial. So in this case, for the Bitcoin, they are doing a very good job of a bullish retracement from the previous all-time high through the 61.8% of the key level of the Fibonacci retracement, where you can see there are so many lower wick candle over here. This shows that this is a very good sign of a good support area where the candlestick will immediately bounce off to the upper side of the key level. So in this case, they are doing a good job. So we know that the Bitcoin will be accumulated in this area at any time soon before it starts to challenge back to the previous all-time high. So for the first signal that we are giving away today is the candle. So for the candle, currently the candlesticks are trading inside this parallel channel. This is what we call the bull flag. So just like the ping pong, you start to bounce off ups and down inside this area until one of the direction has been broken off. So in this case, we are seeing a very bullish upside momentum. So another way to verify this momentum is to see the contraction pattern. So in this case, the candlestick has just broken off from this area, from the C3. This is what we call the C3. And then you start to retest the back at the entry level. And now they are start to climb higher to the upside of the TP area at 4.47. So another way to verify is to use some of the indicators provided for us, just like the SMA, the simple moving average. As you can see, this is what we call a good sign of a bullish setup. As long as all the MAs are pointing to the top, this shows that all the candlestick will be going to the upside. So you can just enter the position whenever you want. I mean, this is a very good opportunity for you to buy in. As long as you got a profit, you can exit immediately. Alright, so for the next one would be the LDO, the Lido DAO. So currently this is showing a very nice setup of a rounded bottom chart pattern, but we as a trader, we need to anticipate the market. We need to anticipate how is the candlesticks moving. So in this case, maybe it will start to form another one, another, who knows, another rounded bottom or another candles. In this case, we need to anticipate whether the candlestick is completely valid in broken off the entries level. So once it is retested on top of the entry level and proceed to climb higher, only then we enter the position. Alright, so let's zoom in. As you can see, this is not considered a valid one. So it will start to immediately retrace back to the downside. And so we wait for the candlestick to once again broken off from this area, retested back before we put in the money. Alright, so we give it a little bit of time and then we'll see how it goes. Next one, Pi. Pi is a very nice structure but has yet to form completely. So as per yesterday, we are seeing this is such a very long wick candle dropping hard, to crash all the long position. So fortunately, they are climbing back to the structure. So we will give it some more time and then we will see how it goes. So we'll leave it on here. Okay, the last one, the quick one. This is the final signal spot that we are giving away today, the candle. Candle is, pretty much doing a very good job once it's broken off from the C3 area, retested back at the entry point, and now the SMA, this is what we call the bullish golden alignment, where all the SMA from the lowest moving average day to the longest moving average day. In this case, this is the 21, the 50, the 150, and also the 200. So whenever all the structure are perfectly aligned, and then we wait for the candle, we wait for the SMA to point to the upside, and this is where the bullish will start to come up. So now, once the retested is complete, is valid, we will see all the candle will start to climb higher and higher. But our first target will be the 0.1745. So this is another way that we need to see, because this is very important. We need to see how is the contraction happen, and also how is the moving average is doing. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave a comment if you have any things to feedback. And also please help us to like, share, and subscribe to more of your friends to support the community. I hope you get rich, and I will see you on the next video.
Where crypto is hard, but Papa makes it easy.